Hello everyone, welcome back to the computer fundamental classes. In previous class we discussed about the little bit the information about the conversions, number system conversions. Okay, so in that we know already, if you want to communicate with computer, we have to translate our language to the computer language to us. Okay, so for that we need conversion, number system conversion, because computer only understands numbers, that is binary numbers, that is in the form of ones and zeros. Okay, so in this class we are going to deal with the conversions. In that we are discussing converting another base to decimal base system. That means how to convert another base. Another base means it may be binary number system, it may be octal number system, it may be hexadecimal number system. What about decimal? Because we are converting those number system to decimal number system. Okay, so for that, binary number to decimal number system, octal number system to decimal number system, hexadecimal to decimal number system, how to convert in between them. Okay, let us discuss one by one. The first one is how to convert binary number system to decimal number system. Decimal number system. NS means number system. Okay, I hope you understand. Binary number system to decimal number system. Okay, after that, second one is octal number system to decimal number system. Third one is hexadecimal number system to again decimal number system. Okay, so in this conversions we are going to discuss 3 points. One is binary number system to decimal number system, how to convert octal number system to decimal number system, how to convert hexadecimal number to decimal number system. Okay, these all things we are going to cover one by one. Okay, so first one we are going to discuss how to convert binary number system to decimal number system. Binary number system to decimal number system. Okay, so where you have to use, where you have to apply in computer number system. For example, you know already, here there is a computer, here there is a computer. Okay, whenever you are providing the inputs from the user to the computer, inputs, okay, inputs to the computer, how it takes inputs? Using keyboards, that is input devices. Okay, keyboard. Okay, then computer. Okay, this is assume this is keyboard. The keyboard is the input device that accepts the inputs from the user. What it does, it contains one extra component, that is input interface. That is one technique that is called as input interface. What it does, whenever you are saying inputs, that is called as raw data. Raw data means that is in the form of text, number, audio, video, anything. Okay, that is called as the inputs. But computer cannot understand those things. How it understands? Only in the form of numbers. Then how it converts these numbers to the computer understandable forms. Okay, so that is done by the input interface. Input interface. IP means input. Okay, so what it does, that takes the input from the user and again it converts those inputs to the numbers, binary numbers in the form of zeros and ones. For example, this is one text. Okay, this is one text. This input interface takes this text and converts it in the form of Assume there is one form like this 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So that is converted like this. Then only this computer will understand this is Raju. Until they don't know. Okay. So what it means? So after that, this is binary number system. Okay. So if you are provided text, video, image, anything that is raw information. After converting using input interface, that is binary numbers, then only computer understands these numbers. Okay. Then after that, it will process the data. This is the data. Okay. It will process inside the computer or inside the CPU. Okay. And after that, that produce the output. That produce the output. That produce the output in the form of what? Using output devices. Using output device. What are the output device? The monitor, printer. Okay. So these all things output device. Using that output device, that display the output or that provides the output using output device. In that, it processing the data. It process work on the binary numbers. Okay. So after that, when it is providing the data to the user, again in the form of the text. Again in the form of text. Because we cannot understand. We don't know what it means. Only computer can know. Okay. So we don't know. But if you want to know, again same thing. If you want same output, again what it does, the computer, in that output device, again it has one technique that is called as output interface. Output interface. So what it does, output interface, it takes the whatever processed data in the form of binary numbers, again it converts text, that is like text, numbers, audio, video, whatever it may be. Okay, again it converts. So let us think how it converts. For example, here this is any form. Okay, how it converts to binary. Okay, again how it converts binary to other form. Right? So here assume this is the binary, this is a decimal. Assume, okay. Suppose you will understand directly. This is 200. This is 200. This is not a binary number. This is decimal number system or octal number system or hexadecimal number system. This is 200. Okay, we are saying this is 200 because this is positional number system. After converting using input interface like this, okay, that is called as this is decimal to binary number system. Decimal to binary number system. After that, again we need 200 because we only understand this language, decimal number system. Okay. So how to convert this binary number system to decimal number system? That is one technique. That is one conversions. Okay. So in this class, we are going to discuss how it convert this binary number system to this decimal number system. Okay. Let us discuss one by one. So before discussing this technique, binary number system to decimal number system, okay. So must and should we have to follow some steps. What do we have to do? We have to follow some 3 steps. What are those? The first one, determine the positional value. Determine the column value of each digit. For example, so first we have to follow the steps. Okay. What are the steps here? First we have to understand, determine column. Column means positional. Okay. Column value of each digit. Okay. I'll tell you what you do. This is the first step. Okay. Second one, multiply the obtained column value into the each digit. Okay. Multiply the column value value in step 1. Whatever you are getting, whatever you got in step 1, those column value you have to multiply with to the each digit which are available in number system. Third one, sum of the product, okay, calculated in step 2. Sum of the, you have to add those things. Sum of the product. Product means multiply. Okay, I'll do it multiply. So those products we have to add. Okay, sum of the products which are you are getting in step 2. Okay, step. So whenever you are converting binary number system to decimal number system, octal number system to decimal number system, and hexadecimal number to decimal number system, those number system we have to follow these three steps. So first one, determine the column value of each digit, multiply the column values in step 1 to the each digit, sum of the product. Okay, so these are the steps we need to follow. So let us take one example. What is that? The binary number to decimal. So first we need one binary number system. Okay, binary number. So first one. So first, just a minute. There is no space. Okay. Wait. So just I remove these. Okay. So let's take one example. 1 0 1 0 1 0, or else 1 0 1 0. What it mean? Okay. So or else you can take the simple example 1 1 0 0 1. 1 1 0 0 1. This is a binary number system because I written base 2. Binary number system. How to convert to the decimal number system? That is a base 10. That means decimal number system. There is a question mark. This is a question mark. Okay. So how to convert this number system to decimal number system? So for that we need to follow these steps. So first, determine the column values of each digit. So these are the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Okay. So we have to identify the positions value. We have to identify column value of each digit. Okay. These are the digits. So how to identify? First I will write step 1 like this. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. How to identify positions? You know already binary number system position power of 2. That is the position of binary number system. So this is power of 0, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. Those are the position value. Okay, that is determine the column values of each digit. That is called as column in positional value. Okay, so how to determine the positional value? Like this. Okay, so 1 means in the place of 2 raised to 0, 0 means 2 raised to 1, this 0 means 2 raised to 2, this 0 means 2 raised to 3, this 1 is 2 raised to 4. Okay, 1 1. So not 0, 1 1. Okay. So second step, what is the second step here? Multiply the column values to the each digit. These are the column values. These are the positional value or column value we can say. And these are the digits of number system. Okay. So you have to multiply both. So first you have to multiply this number to this number. Okay. 1 into 2 raised to 4. This is second step. Okay. You have to understand second step. 1 is a digit of the number system, binary number system. 2 raised to 4 is a positional value or column value. Okay, I am converting column, I am multiplying column value to the each digit. Okay, So after that plus, you have to write plus. Then second number 1, then 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 and plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. 1 into 2 raised to 0. Okay. Then after that you know already 1 into 2 raised to 4 means you have to multiply 2 4 times. 4 times you have to multiply 2. That means like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 raised to 4. Right? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 8. 8 into 16. Right? So 1 into 16 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 is only this one. 3 times. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. That is 1 into 8 plus 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 means 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1. Okay? 2 raised to 0 means 1. Then after that you have to multiply 1 into 16. 16, any number is multiplied with 1 is, that is 16. Okay? Plus 1 into 8, 8 plus 0 into 4 is 0 plus 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Then after that, third step. What is the third step here? Sum up product in step 2. The whatever you get, the product values, so add those values. That is what? Third step. Okay? So third one is 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8, how much? 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Okay? 25. Right? 25. This is the decimal number. Hence, how to write? Hence, this number 11001 binary, based binary, is equal to 25 in decimal. Okay? So if you provide 25 to the computer, that is converted to binary number like this. If already it is converted in binary, again it produces the 25 in decimal like this. This is what, how to convert binary to decimal number system. If you want to convert directly without these steps, we have to understand this positional place value. How to understand the place value? Assume binary position. How you are writing? From right to left. Okay, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, up to so on. Okay, directly you can write answer. Okay, so for the time telling tricks. Okay, so you have to understand. You have to write place value. Place value means you have to calculate this one. 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2, 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8, 16, 32, up to so on. Okay, so these are the place value, these are the positional value. Okay, then if you want to write, if you want to convert this in decimal, what you write? Just you write like this. Okay, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So this you have to remove this one. If you have under number, just you write in the place of 32. Okay, just wherever 1 is there, just you have to neglect 0. Wherever 1 is there, you have to add those place value. Okay, wherever 1, this 16, 8, 1. Okay, 16, 8 plus 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1 is 25. Okay, 25. This is a decimal value. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Okay, how to convert binary number system to decimal number system. Okay, in next class we are going to discuss how to convert octal number system to decimal. Okay, next class we are going to discuss octal number system to decimal number system. Thank you.